Hi, sir and madam. It's really a pleasure to introduce our new non-latex condom for you. Our polyurethane condom and Durex condoms are manufactured by the same production line, so you don't have to worry about the production quality. For the 001 condom, we have this bow package design. If you wish to OEM order, we can help you print your logos on package. And if you prefer to have extra lubricant, we can also add in a bow, which can help the user have a better use feeling. Please check that the ductility and the strength of a condom are totally perfect as well. And I would like to say, at the same time, we have a more competitive price with the Durex one. Please let me know if you have any interest in our 001 polyurethane condom.